You guys, we've made it. This is the end of the second day. We got to bring Janos back up here, and I hate to say it, but it's time to say our goodbyes.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
Thank you. That's all I can say right now. Thank you, big thank you. And I want to bring up those people that brought me here. You suckers. Adrian, come up on stage. Prash, please. And all, I wouldn't be here without you too. And I also want to bring up all the speakers up on stage because you deserve it too, because I know it's a first time event and many of you flew on your own expenses just to be here, just to help me getting this to happen, so thank you.
Yeah, so if you did a panel, if you spoke, come up here. We want to do a big group photo. And while everybody's coming up here, I just want to remind you, for those who didn't hear earlier, anybody that has a ticket, by the way, and if you didn't get to see any of the thing, regardless if you had just Thursday, just Friday, you will have access to all the stream, and we will. There'll be an email with details about that, I assume, after, so that you can always go back and watch any of these fantastic sessions that you may have missed. Excuse me. Once more, special thank you to all of our sponsors, without whom we would not have been able to make this happen. And all of you, obviously, for taking time to come and interact and meet. I hope you all learned something. I hope you made some friends and made some new contacts along the way and learned something. Yeah? Okay. All right, what are we doing? Like a group bow?
I thought, wait, yeah, but also first... Talking about Snapmaker, Bridget, you wanted to say something. I don't know what it is, but please.
Yeah, this is high risk indeed. I have a random question, which is, how many of you are driving? Hands up.
Or local. Or local and driving. Oh, wait, no.
Hands up for the people who are local and driving. Okay. And how many of people have no 3D printer yet and are here? Honest? There's 3 people here. Okay. Ooh. Now, I think on my end, we're gonna do at least one female. I'm sorry, guys. And so, one more question. Carney, do you have a good random question that we can ask?
What's the birthday, odd or even day, something like that?
Ooh, yeah, birthday, odd or even. Let's say for odd, hands up. Still on the... No one, okay. That's, and you don't have a printer either? No? Then the surprise is that the printer that we have been printing on in the workshop is now yours.
Yeah. What a surprise. I'm here with my car. Yeah. Jonathan and John, would you do me a favor? There's something next to the stage standing. If you would bring it up. This is our workout. So it's not only the people that are up on stage here that made this happen and made all the stuff happen that you, like right in front of me. And they had a round of applause already, but I want another one. So my production team that does all the live streams and makes sure that we have the cut final talks served to you on a platform. And there's one specific person who was like, wait, 3D printing, that's so cool, and I want to get one. Right there. Cameraman. I think that's a good first, as like a printer for starters, right? Yeah, and it's even wrapped in TPU and filament and like, yeah. That's custom made, especially for you. So thank you so much for being here, for helping out and doing this. Thank you.
Should we do a photo?
And we should do a group photo, yeah. Okay. Who's in for taking the photo with us? Or for us, not with us. Yeah. So, from what I've heard, it was a success, this conference, this first time event here in Amsterdam. And Pooch and I were early this morning in another building around the corner to see where we host the Printed World Conference 2026. So it will happen. I will start planning it a little bit further, like starting next week. You will have all the information about super early bird ticket sales and stuff. I have to figure out which dates, so I will communicate it like as early as possible to give you the opportunity to join the next Printed World Conference. So again, a big thank you to everyone who made this possible and to everyone who attends. Yeah, thank you. And finally, for those who didn't hear it when I said it the last time, so even the staff from B Events here in this building were so amazed by it. They invited every one of you to a party tonight. So if you have time, across the street there's B1. Some of you may have also parked there. In B1 there's a DJ, there's disco, there's party until 11 p.m. So if you are like open to do something creative and something party, go there and have fun. Thank you so much for the team for this opportunity. And also special applause to Pooch, because he's a machine. I couldn't do it without him. I couldn't do it without him.
I know your hands are getting tired of clapping, but I have to say, this was what, 3 years ago, you came to us and you said, I have a dream, right? Will you come help do this? This is my dream. And you've busted your ass for months, Janos.
Yeah, no.
Months. You did it.
Take a bow.
Take a bow.
You made him cry. Thank you all for coming. Everybody drive safe, travel safe. Have a good night.
Possibilities are endless.
Hey.
I'm Courtney.
Hi, my name is Carlos.
Hi, John here.
Hi, my name is Intaxa.
Hey, I'm Pashita.
Hey, I'm Pierre.
Hey, Ivan Miranda here.
Hey, Crash here.
Whether you start from zero, you're a creator, or a business owner,
3D printing and content creation.
Today, 3D printing is a revolution, and with CAD, we can do whatever we want.
When I find an interesting collaboration, what grabs me, someone who comes to me with a unique, interesting problem and a couple of ideas for a solution.
And I just wanted to talk about filament.
I really enjoy photography, I really enjoy videography and motion graphics.
I like long walks on the beach, jet engines, rocket engines, piston engines, any kind of engine really, and also 3D printing. And remember, tomatoes are disgusting.